Everyone. I'm Hilag Shah from Team AIYOJAN. AIYOJAN is basically a centralized calendar planning platform for various Indian universities. So, this is how the entire project section is divided into. First is the student section, which would then be redirected to a college search. Then, once you search the college, you would be redirected to the college page. In the college page, the student can view a calendar, apply to the college he or university he or she is interested in, and then contact that college directly. Then the college admin section would contain calendar, data visualization of that particular college, and the college could view the university calendar. Now, the university admin would be able to see the calendar or basically perform CRUD operations and create its own calendar. Now, thereafter, they could also register colleges and they could also view the AICTE calendar. Now, moving on to the AICTE team, the AICTE team could directly auto register already registered college. Means if you have a very large database, it's not basically a scalable solution to manually add in each and every college to our data to our system. So if you have a large database, we would directly, just by one click of button, all the colleges would get registered from the database of AICT. Now, they could, similar to the college and the university, they could also create their own calendar, which would be a uniform calendar for all the universities to follow. So that's about our structure. Moving on to the detailed analysis of each and every section. We have divided the entire project into four sections. First is the student section, second is the college section, third is the university section, and fourth is the AICTE section. The students section is basically the global user. So this is the basically the homepage of the project AIYOJAN or AIYOJAN. These would be the steps the person needs to follow, and to get a these would be the steps uh, which would give a brief about how our application works. You would get detailed analysis of all the college in the college section, so all the statistical data and data visualization and the best day to keep an event, everything would be covered under this. The student, if finds the college scaling with his or her interest, he could directly means we would provide him or her the link to the college page through which he or she can apply directly to that college. Now, basically the special features of our application are first the statistical data. College can find their statistical data in their respective college section. Second is efficient algorithms and data security. We have made sure that the algorithms we used are pretty efficient and they run as fast as possible, and the data about every college and every university is kept encrypted and secure. And third is the simplicity of our interface and how we have structured the entire project. That is also a core value we follow. Now, this is a contact us section from wherein the user could directly contact us in case he or she finds any difficulty which we could not cover out in here. Once we click on the college section in the student section, means colleges in the student section, we would be directed to a search box from wherein we could search various colleges and universities where based on based on basically if you type in the university name, the college would be shortlisted, and that's how everything would work. Or if you even type in the college name, that would also now comes in the section of colleges under the student section. So if a student clicks on colleges, a search bar would appear, and there would be cards of various colleges and universities, uh, via which the student could search and view the schedule of each and every college and university and apply to them as well. So this would be the college section. Here, university of the college would be mentioned, the college name, area, and the NIRF ranking would also be mentioned, along with the a detailed timetable of the college and the university. Then student could get an apply now button and learn more if uh, which would be links provided to external college pages, and they could also directly contact the college in case they want have any doubts regarding that college. The once the student clicks on the calendar but calendar button shown here, he or she would be redirected to the calendar page wherein all the events would be displayed, uh, ranked based on the month and the year the student selects. Then once from the student section you click on the login button. So basically, these would be the this would be the section from wherein college, universities, and the AICTE team would be able to log in into their sections. So user ID and password would be auto-generated and emailed to each and every college and university. Now coming on to the college or university section, this would be the section wherein the college or the university would basically build the timetable. So basically there would be two different sections, college and university, but as they almost have the same functionality, to save us time, we are covering it under the same topic. So basically, each and every college or university would be able to see a calendar in which they could edit, add an event, delete an event. Basically, all the CRUD operations could be performed. After which there would be a dashboard section wherein they could view all the data about universities could view the data of college, and colleges could view their data themselves, so that they could be well prepared in advance before the admissions according to the visitors they get daily. Colleges and universities have planned their timetable. They could also view the AICTE calendar, so that they could cross check if their dates are matching with that of the duration which AICTE has mentioned. So basically, uh, and if some user is using it in a low light region, then you could also toggle it to a dark mode. Coming on to the AICT section, once we would be providing the user ID password to the AICT team so that they can use the application. So once the AICT admin logins, they could add basically a college or university. They could view the college's data, means visualize data of each and every college or university. Now, calendar planning would contain basically the calendar that AICT would be displaying to the universities and colleges. So this is a uniform calendar wherein the AICT team could perform the CRUD operations. But once it goes into the read-only mode in the university and college section, there it could not be edited. So now the university now once we click on the university or college tab, you would get basically a search bar from where you could basically see a list of colleges, and you could easily search and see the visualized data of each college and university. You could also register a university or college via a registration form. So basically, once you register the college, you could see a card basically being added to searching list. Once the college or university is registered, basically, then we are done, and this is all we are aiming for. Thank you.